Hello folks, hope everybody is fine. Today we're gonna see what's inside this traditional speaker. So let's steer it through and see what this thing is composed of. So I have just removed it from a handset of traditional handset phone. So now I'm gonna remove these upper parts and see what's inside. So basically there is just a magnet. So this is what it looks inside. This is basically a magnet, folks. So you can see larger speakers have larger magnets. So the more uh, powerful the speaker is, the bigger is the magnet. So this is a coil. So basically these are two wires here that electricity is passed through this coil, and it is just the electrical signals are changed into sound signals. Like you can see that here is a coil, and it's just connected here. The two wires are connected right here. So what happens is electricity is passed through these wires, and uh, electrical energy is changed into sound energy with the help of this magnet and the coil that's right inside here. So that's all about speakers, folks. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, just click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere Science.